The stadium construction has resumed with full activity after a short slowdown period. Work is now progressing across multiple sections simultaneously, with visible developments in both upper and lower structural areas. While some zones show major advancements, others remain in earlier stages, indicating a phased construction approach. Today's key highlight is the active concrete work in the upper tribune area, where major structural slabs are being poured using formwork and temporary support systems. Formwork and steel reinforcement are already in place, and fresh concrete is being poured to form key structural slabs that will later support the roof system. This phase is crucial as it strengthens and connects the upper levels, marking steady progress in the stadium's main structural development. The compression ring is advancing steadily, with multiple new segments already installed along the lateral section. Crews are actively working at height using elevated platforms, carefully aligning and securing these massive structural pieces. Despite the visible progress, a large portion of the ring still remains incomplete, indicating that this phase will continue over the coming months as it gradually wraps around the stadium. Falange Installation has clearly moved forward, with a noticeable increase in the number of units now in place. These large radial elements are forming a more defined circular structure at the top, making the stadium's future roof support system more visible. Safety nets have also been installed above them, allowing workers to continue installation efficiently and securely. Crane activity remains consistent across the site, with tower cranes actively transporting materials between levels. At the same time, concrete operations are ongoing in the upper sections, where the concrete pump is positioned to pour material precisely into structural areas. This indicates continuous reinforcement work and preparation for upcoming installations. Facade panel installation has made strong progress, especially in the lateral and tribuna sections. Several segments with black panels are now fully completed, giving a clearer and more finished appearance to parts of the stadium exterior. Work is still ongoing in other areas, with crews using lifting platforms to expand coverage further. Llama's installation remains limited in terms of visible progress, particularly in the south goal area where no major changes have occurred. However, multiple sections across the stadium are now fully prepared, with anchors and guidelines already in place. This suggests that a more significant installation phase is expected to begin soon. In the north goal area, work is actively progressing with multiple elevated platforms operating across different levels. Early stages of panel installation have started, while structural adjustments and internal framework work continue. Although not the most advanced zone, steady activity indicates gradual development. Safety systems across the site are being further strengthened, with protective nets now installed in critical upper sections, particularly around the phalanges and other high-risk working areas. These measures play a key role in maintaining safe working conditions as construction activity continues to intensify at elevated levels. Inside the structure, workers are applying protective coatings and finishing treatments to beams and steel elements. Additional internal framework work is ongoing, with crews refining structural details and preparing surfaces for future installations. This phase reflects a transition into more detailed construction work. The Tribuna section shows strong progress, with facade panels largely completed across multiple segments. Elevated platforms remain active in upper areas, focusing on structural refinements. While some connection elements are still pending, this zone appears more advanced compared to other parts of the stadium. The third tier is showing steady structural progress, with its shape becoming more defined across multiple sections of the stadium. Concrete work and structural framing appear to be advancing gradually, although not at the same pace as the upper ring. While there are no major visible breakthroughs in this phase, the consistent development indicates that the tier is being prepared step by step for future seating and structural integration. Sandwich panel installation is progressing across designated structural zones where the facade framework is already prepared. Workers are actively fixing panels onto pre-installed support systems using elevated platforms. In several sections, the installation remains in intermediate stages, where alignment and anchoring systems are being completed before full panel fitting continues. The ramp area earthworks are now fully completed, with soil filling and stone placement finished as planned. Heavy machinery was extensively used for leveling, spreading, and compacting the material to form a strong and stable base. This section is now properly shaped and fully prepared for the next stage of construction activities. Material movement and site logistics remain highly active, with large quantities of steel components, beams, and prefabricated elements distributed across different sections. Organized staging areas ensure that materials are readily available for each phase, supporting continuous workflow and minimizing delays in installation processes. That's it for today's update. Progress is building fast, and things are only getting more exciting from here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.